There's a car wash for your eyes, watches, and jewelry. Okay, we're going to Yosemite. This is the Indianapolis airport. Dad's ready. Jake, are you ready?
Yeah, I guess.
Dad is inspecting the plane, making sure it's all okay. So, this is San Diego. Guess we have a connecting flight here. How was your flight, sir?
This is okay. I think I was gaining training for the future on just listening to kids cry.
I thought it was a decent flight for the first hour, and then the kids started crying, but that was pretty normal.
It was mainly, but it wasn't that bad.
The tough point was hour 3 when the guy behind me started putting his feet right behind my feet.
Really?
Now, what do you do in those situations?
You kick back.
You tickle their feet. All right, we've made it to San Francisco, and next part is our long drive. Looks like this is our trusty steed for this adventure. Looks like this is our first view of California gas. Looks like $5.75. Honestly, it's not too crazy. We are at In-N-Out. It is our second food stop. First was Shake Shack in the airport. 2 burgers, 2 milkshakes, 1 day. This was Dad's first bite.
That didn't look real.
Yeah, it looked like he acted like he liked it. All right. We're on a very cool bridge. All of this is bridge. So you got a city over there. Somewhat, I'm not sure. Our guess is that looks like San Fran. It is 5 a.m. West Coast time. Headed to Yosemite. It's kind of raining. This is our first night spot. We have entered Yosemite National Park. First impressions, big rocks, a little chilly. Here's some cool birds, there's big trees. Dad's enjoying his Dr. Pepper. I'm sorry, Dad, you look like Meemaw. See a little bit of charring from past fires, but the trees remain okay. Pretty tough. First wildlife spotting. It looks like a different squirrel, actually. He's puffy. He's like a little bit wider. And it's a pretty nice guy. Look at that guy. Oh,
That does not look like.
I think this is a raven. We're about to get on the shuttle to go to the mist trail. We're surrounded by tall cliffs that go into the clouds. Oh. We discovered another new bird. It's pretty cool. Wow. This is at the beginning of the Mist Trail hike. This river seems to flow throughout the whole park. And it goes all the way down there. So far the trails, this asphalt trail, Jake's leading the caboose.
What?
I guess the caboose actually would be behind, so he's the engine. But yeah, Jake's the engine to the train.
211 kilometers.
Yeah, that's where we're going. But yeah, we're going through the boulders. So far there's a good amount of people, but it's not like we're super crowded yet. We've slowed down as we came across a large group of hikers. We're seeing some pretty cool trees. They just grow up out of the rocks. We've made it to a pretty impressive view on the Mist Trail. Pretty steep. What's your mid-hike report?
I mean, I'd give it a solid like 6.75.
6.75 is our score. What is it, the pavement?
Pavement helps.
Pavement helps?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, that's a cool squirrel.
But I haven't really seen anything special yet.
Jake is not impressed yet.
Not really.
We have found the first ever natural,
It's like a well.
the first ever natural well, water fountain slash
Water bottle filler.
water bottle filler slash sink, and an ultra rare forest bathroom.
Whoa.
Okay,
Make your own arm?
we've entered the poncho zone,
Oh, man.
and we're super cool. Jake's discovering how to put on the
I
poncho.
have no clue how to put on the poncho.
You're doing it right. You just gotta rotate and then put the hood on.
Put the hood on.
There we go. There we go. Looking like a professional hiker.
What now?
That's it. All right, we made it to the bottom of one waterfall. It's pretty cool. It's pretty misty.
Here you go.
Cool. Oh. This is a little taste of what the steps are like. They're kind of slippery. Watch out, Jake. There's a big, scary animal. Ooh. It's like he has sunscreen on his shoulders.
Huh.
Update, how are you handling the stairs?
Not as well.
Not as well.
My Achilles.
Your Achilles?
Yeah.
Oh.
Behind my leg.
Either arm more steep than the other.
We're doing a heart rate check-in. Jake was at 189. Now he's back in the 170s after this break. I've been in about 140.
Well, you did have a longer break from me.
I believe we're reaching the end of the climb up to the waterfall. It's getting a little narrow. There's a little drop off over there. Oh, where did it go? There was a super cool bird. We have found a very cool bird at the top of the waterfall. Super cool. Look at that thing. So, this is the waterfall view. And that's the trail we went up. Yep, so we just went up all that. Look at this cool tree right out of the rocks. That's amazing. We came across this cliff. I thought it was pretty impressive. We got a ways to go to get down there. There's a cool, small yellow bird that's flying around over here. Oh man, there's another bird. Watch check. 3 hours, 20 minutes, 1,700 feet of elevation, 5.4. I wonder if it gives me calories.
Did you burn any calories?
Wait. Oh wow, that's cool.
Grandma, yesterday.
Kind of has like a purple head. If you look over there,
There it is.
that thing moving, that's a bobcat.
Where is it?
That's cool. Look at that. That's the bobcat. Shoo. That's cool. We are up close and personal
Touch it.
with new wildlife. Super cool bird. Jake wants me to touch it.
Pick it up.
I want to see Dad touch it. Pretty cool. This is the waterfall. It's pretty chilly and misty. Mom's dealing with a little bit of knee soreness, so she's walking backwards down the trails.
That will be carried.
Jake wants to be carried.
The remainder of the trip.
No, whoa, that's a big ask.
I just want to be carried.
I think we all want to be
I'm
carried.
not asking for much.
We drove up to a pretty cool view. Does this improve your standards?
Yeah, I think this is better.
It's pretty sweet.
It's like, no.
That is the tall waterfall we were just at.
Maybe.
No, I'm pretty sure.
I'm not sure.
Ugh. Dinner night number 2, pizza time.
It was like a.
Here's tonight's pizza. Looks gooey and cheesy.
And greasy.
And greasy. We can go get donuts at the Bigfoot Bakery.
Head east on California
and
41
grill.
North.
It is Saturday, which is a few days into the trip. We found another waterfall.
Yep.
It's pretty cool.
It's tall.
It's tall. These trees are tall.
We have the true question though. Where does the water come from?
We don't know where the water comes from.
It might be pumped up there. That's our current best guess.
That is one of our best guesses. Well, we're closer to the big waterfall. And it's notably colder.
I think you could go under.
That's a cool bird. Ooh. Woo. For the first time, we see Half Dome this trip. We will not be climbing that this trip, but maybe another time. Yes, later today, 4 people, all 4 of us will go in a raft like that later today. We have found our first bears of the trip.
These bears are so much thicker than they are in real life.
That's a thick bear.
This is a morally obese bear.
That is a big bear,
That
man.
one's having fun now.
Yeah.
It's gonna have to abandon ship.
Yeah.
Just fall off the edge.
Currently we are rafting or floating down the river. It's going pretty okay. Uh-oh.
So the water that they don't sit back up and go over.
Yeah, that's the extra water. And there's the big waterfall we saw this morning, which apparently is not from clouds. It's from snow, allegedly. Video update. This is our new spot inside the park. Pretty luxurious. Whoa!
Oh, it didn't go all the way up.
Come on, come on. That's technology.
Oh,
Wow. It's massive. Yes, wildlife spotting. We're on our way to see the sunrise from a high point. Can Dad get across this creek? We'll see. Oh, a near fall here. Peak athleticism here. Like a true gentleman. Nice. And now it's Jake's turn on slides.
I don't have anywhere else to go here.
Okay, Jake. He needs the hand. Cool moss trees. Do you have an opinion on that?
It's kind of weird.
We're entering moss forest. We've came across another obstacle.
I don't know if you're gonna make it.
Dad's making it across, just easy over there. We were worried about not falling down cracks, and we think this is one of them.
We lost one member.
We lost 2 members to injury.
Well,
Well,
they're not.
they might power
They're
through.
not dead yet.
They're still going.
We
but
have a severe downhill injury.
Yeah, our team member is struggling on the downhills.
Unfortunately, this is downhill.
Yeah. Well, we made it to the top. Jake's looking straight into the sun.
That's like my phone. It's focusing too much on the sun.
Wow. Wow. I'm gonna say that's a pretty good sunset
No, it's not.
for the phone.
There's nothing there.
We're starting the 4-mile trail. I think we go to the top. Some way, somehow. Yeah, maybe we go over there. We had started going uphill. It is still paved though, which makes it easier. Yep. Here's some of the views. 1 mile in.
Not bad so far.
Not bad. We're about 25 minutes in. It is a constant uphill. So we have a lizard wildlife sighting. Lizard and tree. It's a cool lizard. It's doing a head bob thing. Kind of like how geese do it. We continue to make progress.
48 minutes.
48 minutes. 1.63. Pretty great. And we've been in the shade the whole time.
I'm starting to get a little tired.
Jake is breaking down.
First mile I was doing pretty good.
Wow.
Second 2/3. Slowly wearing down.
It's all this weight he's carrying in his
Yeah, backpack.
shoes and backpack.
Yeah.
Which is a 35-pound backpack.
Yeah, it's definitely
35-pounder.
definitely nothing to do with my weight. That's
No,
not part of it.
no. We continue to climb. We've kind of reached step territory. It's a little bit more rocky. I mean, we're not going quite as fast as that guy, but we're going pretty fast. Found a different colored lizard. Smaller, brown, cool. We are hour 42 in, almost 3 miles. This is our first view of Half Dome. It is pretty impressive. Jake's doing pretty good. Our third species of lizard, and it's gone. But it's in there. Oh! We are 4 miles, 2.5 hours in. It's been a pretty nice hike. We've also found out Jake's the more approachable one.
By far.
Yeah, people usually skip me and then they say hi to Jake for some reason.
Everyone wants to say hi to me. Just talk about random things.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what's up with that. Okay, we are maybe a mile to go. Down there's the road, but got more valley views. We're doing pretty good. Okay, we got a new type of terrain here. We went, yeah, flat, and we went up and out of the forest, at least for a little bit. And then off you see some pretty cool views. Cool. All right, well, we made it to Glacier Point. Pretty sweet. There's a lot of people up here. We got some snow up there in the mountains that feed into the waterfalls. It's pretty crazy. It looks like it took us 5 miles, 3 hours.
And then there's like a loop.
Yeah. This is a cool map. We're going to that guy. Very cool map. Dad, do you think this is a cool map? He thinks it's a cool map.
Okay, we're at the star.
Yeah.
We're gonna go up to Grizzly Giant. And we're gonna.
We found the biggest tree in the forest. I don't know. Maybe oldest. I don't know if it's tallest.
It's the widest.
It's the widest. Dad's showing how wide it is. Yeah. It's pretty wide. Pretty old. Pretty cool. Vlog update. We have some burnt thighs. Jake, can you put them in the light? Oh yeah. There.
Trying to try out a new wardrobe.
That's the new.
Now my shorts only have to be this long.
Yeah. It's crispy. Vlog update. This was the 3rd or 4th Airbnb. Jake volunteered for the couch last night, which is pretty nice. And this is it. And this was the outside view of the Airbnb. We drove up that road to get here. We stayed on the 2nd floor. I think there's goats and chickens over there in the distance. Yeah, I believe those are the chickens.
So long.
I know. We're in the land of the sequoias, and Jake was quizzing me on my Spanish, and I
Got like a D+.
got a D+. We have another wildlife sighting. It's this thing. What is this thing? Hello. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he is again.
That's not. Yeah,
Oh man,
I don't think that's a squirrel.
he's like a friendly beaver squirrel. Cool.
Groundhog. I've seen the movie.
What is it, Jake?
A groundhog.
I don't know, but Dad does. He's not too worried about it.
I'm staying in the car. I don't want the thing coming after me.
I don't know if you can tell the shininess.
No, this is what healing looks like.
It's just a little bit of aloe.
Yeah,
The goal is to use.
all of it
No, I can have 3.5 ounces left at the end of the trip.
before you can fly.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is just what it takes to recover from 40 minutes in the sun.
Yeah, about.
This is it?
This is the layout of the big tree. We're trying to find the big tree,
It's right there.
and there it is. The big tree. This tree's name is the General Sherman. They guess that it's 4 million pounds. You know, I don't know how they come up with that, but it looks pretty heavy.
Mine accounts for the growth since this sign was made.
We have a stat correction. The guesstimate is 2.8 million pounds, not 4. So it's a little different. Now we found a cool group of trees, all close together. And we saw a deer back there. We're about to do the Mono Rock Trail. Bunch of stairs going up. Continue up the stairs. Just watching Jake's feet. Some action shots.
I'm tired already. Why wouldn't you get started?
We're making our way up the stairs, all the way up there.
It's really not that bad if you can climb out of the 40 flights of stairs.
Yeah, it's not that bad. You start down there, and the stairwell is pretty cool. So the stairs kind of snake around the rock.
I would describe it as moderately scary.
Jake is kind of scared. Moderately scary.
Yeah. I mean, not incredibly.
But a little. If you didn't like heights, this probably is not for you. Vlog update. We've made it to the top. And it's pretty epic. We're going to the end of the gate because we're not weenies.
And the president.
Yeah, okay. Okay, President. How was the hike?
I mean, so the stairs weren't really bad, but it was a really thin walkway, and half of it had a railing, half didn't. And if you fall off the edge, you fall all the way.
I think straight.
So I didn't like that. This is a little distracting. There's a lot going on.
There's a lot going on in the car. Sorry.
I mean, this is church where we.
Well, it was pretty cool.
I mean, it was an okay view, but
We're going through the tree. This is like the can opener at U of L. Whoa! Okay, I guess that was that. Super extreme.
I'm not impressed.
We're hearing noises outside. I hope it starts again.
Was that like hell?
That's right. Frogs? I don't think those are cows. super quick tour of this past Airbnb. This was where the battle of the spiders happened.
You can see the spider next to the bed on the left.
Spider next to the bed on the left.
In the corner.
I think there's a spider.
Yeah.
There's a dead spider. I think we survived though. We're at another hike to see another view, this time in Kings Canyon. Do you feel like hopeful about the hike?
Well, I've been told it's short.
You got speedy lizards.
Gosh.
Apparently Josh is a lizard.
They're pretty cool. Shoo. They do their dance.
Let the fire leak out?
Well, we made it to a cool view. Shoo. Easy. I guess now we're technically in the park.
Or not.
Oh, we're 10 feet away.
We're
We're
lying to people.
We might not make it.
We're about to be in.
We lost our ice cream truck.
Another cool 3D map.
We're right about there.
a 3D map of Cherokee.
We're on a hike, going through rocks and trees. Eventually we'll find a meadow. We made it to the meadow. It's kind of like a nice grassy field. Seems like Jake's allergies are kicking in. Peaceful. We're headed out of the canyon. Oh, I'm in the panorama. Pretty cool canyon.
Josh has been missing lots of birds.
Yeah, we
He's so
saw
slow.
a big bird flying and I missed it.
They keep on pointing him out and then he's too slow to actually capture it.
One last view of the canyon. Yeah, this is a secret handshake. I actually think that's revolutionary. I think we gotta start doing
And
that.
anyone in front won't even know what we're doing.
We're on our way to the coastline. Here's just a little snapshot of the gas. How does the gas price make you feel?
Better since Trump.
It makes Jake proud.
Yeah, keep this war up.
This is our bargain of the trip. A $4 cinnamon roll, size of
2 hands.
2 hands. We found a pretty cool painting of bears dancing in the forest. It's kind of like a party. So many bears. We have another bird sighting by the ocean, our biggest one of the trip. It's like a giraffe. We're at the beach and we have found 2 more birds. I call this dumpster bird and normal seagull. We're enjoying the warmth of the sun.
The water's warm.
The water is very summer-like. Warm. It's pretty chilly. We're not prepared for the chilliness.
So great.
The shivering has already begun.
Great beach.
We're at another beach trying to hunt down some more birds for the list. What are you? Oh, that's a cool one. Recording the sleeping situations of the last night.
It's going pretty good.
This is my bed too.
Three of me guys.
Yeah, we're separated by this chair fan.
Not as much.
It's pretty luxurious. Our final food spot is Nations for breakfast and pie and maybe hamburgers. This is our breakfast of champions.
Yep.
Josh, do you want pancakes?
We'll see. Surprise Costco stop. It's a lot of carts. We have a delay with our connecting flight to get home. So now we're exploring the Denver airport. It's gonna be a late night. We got to the Indy airport around 1 a.m. It's pretty close down. You ready for this late night drive?
I'm ready for work tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. I feel like these are like severance lights. It's a severance dance party.